Hi friends, welcome to Radhi Vishwa Cooking Channel. Today we are going to see how to make Pavakkai Kootu. Firstly, take one bittergourd and cut them like this. And don't forget to remove the seeds from the bittergourd. After cutting them into slices, clean them by using water. I already washed the bittergourd. Now let's go to the next step. Take a large pan and add in oil. After the oil heat, add in some mustard seeds and some Urad dhal. Now add in some ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and then add in dry chilli and some green chilli. After that, add in a little bit of curry leaf. After that, add in one chopped onion. Mix until the onion fully cooked. After a while, add in one chopped tomatoes. Mix and keep stirring it well. Now we can add in our cutted bittergourd. Keep mixing it well and let the bittergourd fully cook. Now let's add in a little bit of salt and then add in a little bit of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Add in 1 spoon of Baba's curry powder. Bittergourd is a rich source of vitamins and minerals and is really good in maintaining blood sugar levels. Now let's add in cooked dhal. Mix it well and make sure it combined well. In this stage, add in a little bit of water. This is a delicious recipe. Hope you try this recipe and comment down below how is it. Our Pavakkai Koottu is now ready. Let's transfer it into another bowl. Our delicious Pavakkai Koottu is now ready. Please try this recipe at home. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel and like this video. And don't forget to press the bell button to get notified every time we post a new video. Thank you.